When most analysts try to build predictive models, they too often take heed to their modeling tool of choice and start modeling. Poor problem definition Importantly, the results of the project, once deployed, must help you make the same recurring decision in some area of your business. Typically, you're trying to predict which of two possible outcomes. If you know that a particular credit card transaction is fraudulent or legitimate, and you know in advance, then you can take the appropriate action. You'll also need an intervention strategy. As we've seen, these predictions occur at an individual level, and they're time-sensitive in nature. If you don't have a plan of action, then your ability to make the prediction isn't being used to its full potential. For instance, should you or shouldn't you send an insurance claim to a special investigation team? Or perhaps you should even fast-track an insurance claim. Should you or shouldn't you take a particular piece of equipment out of service for preventative maintenance? Not regularly scheduled maintenance, but because the model tells you that the equipment is at risk. Should you or shouldn't you extend a special offer to a particular customer, but not to others? This is the whole point of the predictive model. Knowing the outcome before it happens allows you to intervene in a way that provides value. From the very start of these projects, you should be able to identify how you're going to gain from the project. So it might carefully crafted snapshot, a chunk of history, and then establishing a set of best practices and then inserting them into the flow of decision-making of the business. We don't build models merely to make predictions, but to benefit from those predictions in tangible, measurable ways. We build models to make decisions, and if we make wise decisions next thing you know, you'll have a back-of-the-envelope prediction and a good idea of how much you'll benefit when the project is complete. All programs include a classification project.